Sometimes I can be a little impulsive, and today was a perfect example of that. You see, I'm not completely happy with the setup in my 2000 model Hi-Ace. So as it was going to reach 40 degrees Celsius today, I decided it was the perfect day to tear this 24-year-old van build completely out and then figure out how I'm going to rebuild it on a shoestring budget. So after removing the bed, I gained access to the dual battery system. Time for these to go. Well, there we have it. Batteries removed. So this van was made modular, made in 3 pieces. The left-hand cupboard, the right-hand cupboard, and the kitchen. So I'm starting by removing the left-hand cupboard. So I've now moved on to the right-hand cupboard, and I'll get this out. So before I remove the kitchen, I've got to get this fridge out. I was going to leave the kitchen area in and decide exactly what I was going to do. But, as I said, I'm impulsive. So I decided to rip it out. Well, there you have it, brochachos. I've got a blank canvas. It's not going to be the Mona Lisa, but it might be a little abstract art. Well, that's the complete van contents. So the place is nice and clean. I was going to get rid of that ute, and every time I think about getting rid of it, I have days like this. Well, I think it's time for some epicness. In a world after surviving a 40-degree heat wave, it was time to shred.
I think it looks dirty too because of the haze.